HST service. So we're going to have 43-238. 43-300 Craig and Tinney. Service with 2 coaches on it. No, I'm fine, thanks. So we're going to have 153-313. It's probably a service coming from Grimsby. And on the rear we're going to have 153-384. This is the delayed 1320, I believe, service from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. That is 82-212.
And she's filming her pig.
Yeah.
They're going.
And I'll get the 91 on the cross, yeah. On to platform number 1 is the delayed 1323 LNER service from London King's Cross to Leeds using EMT HSTs 43075. I will get that on the park. And our train for Leeds is now departed. Wakefield, Doncaster, Stevenage, Grantham, obviously here, Wakefield, Doncaster, Wakefield and Leeds. It's never dull in all. It's 3061. So leaving now is that train on platform 3 that I filmed earlier. It's probably in for Grimsby. No, it's in for Lincoln, 153-384. (153-313). Eastman's train soon to be replaced by East Midlands Railway, courtesy of Abellio. Arriving into platform number 1 at Newark Northgate is the 1346 LNER service to Edinburgh Waverley. This is going to be conformed of a class 91 and class 92 because there's no bloody Azumas. Also passing there is a Grand Central service from Bradford to London. Look at the numbers for that. There's 91124. I think we'll get that 82 on departure. There's service. (82 to 111). Now passing by is an LNER service, London King's Cross. 82211. Cancel train. London King's Cross to Hull, 181 and the 1400 LNER resumer service to London King's Cross, presumably from either Leeds or York, probably Leeds. It's going to be 800. 800 113.